In the span of just a couple weeks, this woman went from an unknown TikToker to 4 million followers. Now with over 9 million followers, Erica Kohlberg's videos have been blowing up all across TikTok. On the surface, this just might look like someone catching their lucky break on the platform. But Erica went from having over $225,000 in student loans to being one of the largest finance influencers and one of the most followed lawyers on social media, with over 15 million followers across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So what has she done to create this kind of growth? After studying Erica's content, I have broken down her strategy into 3 steps, a strategy that has her videos blowing up every time. Welcome to an Erica Kohlberg TikTok Masterclass. It starts with step number 1, scroll stopping hooks. Erica Kohlberg is an attorney and personal finance expert, but it is pretty apparent that she is not new to content creation. But even people who are experienced with creating content often don't see this kind of growth. So what is she doing differently than the rest? In Erica's videos, she stops your endless scroll on TikTok by grabbing your attention in the first 1 to 3 seconds of her content. But she doesn't do this with flashy dances or trendy music, she uses curiosity. First, in most of Erica's videos, she utilizes the green screen effect with the storefronts of popular brands. It is something that is immediately recognizable and makes people curious because if she has a storefront of Nike in her video and I, as the viewer, shop at Nike, I'm going to want to see what she has to say, even if I have no context of the topic of a video. Erica's videos also start out with her presenting some sort of problem, drawing people in, wanting to see how the problem is resolved. Increasing the watch time on your videos is one of the fastest ways to increase your following on TikTok. But how can you increase your watch time if you can't even get people to stop and pay attention to your content in the first place? By presenting you with something that is recognizable, invoking curiosity, and adding text on the screen to make it more engaging, because now you have something to read and not only watch, Erica is able to create videos that get hundreds of thousands of people to stop and watch her content. But Erica takes it one step further. Once she has your attention, she paces her content in a way to keep it, switching back and forth between 2 characters, fast-moving text on the screen, and a creative call to action at the end makes it so she's not only great at getting people's attention, but keeping it as well. That leads us to step number 2 in Erica's strategy, us versus them. In traditional marketing, marketers or creators are often trying to pull you to their side. Imagine a game of tug-of-war with you on one side and the creator on the other, and the more you pull away or show disinterest, the louder they get trying to be heard. But what Erica does differently is she drops the rope entirely, coming to stand on your side and creating a new bad guy, which in the case of Erica's content is popular brands. So now it isn't you versus her, it's you and her versus them. In fact, in her videos, Erica pretends to be you, saving money with the tips you are about to learn in her content. For example, in this video, she sets up a scenario with 2 people, a passenger who has had their bag damaged on a flight, you, and an airline employee.
Hi, my bag was damaged. I don't know, that looks like normal wear and tear to me. Always take a quick picture of your bag before the flight for this reason. No, I took a picture of how it looked before this flight. Well, we aren't responsible for the damaged baggage either way. Next, actually the airline is responsible for paying the replacement value of the damaged bag and items inside of it. How about a $250 travel voucher instead? She doesn't know I know, watch this. I've read your terms and conditions. Since this is a domestic flight, you are responsible for up to $3,800 per ticketed passenger for the damages. Fine. Fill out this form and state how much the damage was, then we'll mail you a check. Who taught you this? Erica did. She's a lawyer and reads the fine print, so I don't have to. That's why I follow her.
You can see that after she sets up the situation, Erica proceeds to break the 4th wall, bringing you in on the secret that she is actually portraying you who is about to save money. She then delivers a way to solve the problem using the legal fine print, teaching you about it so you don't have to go and read it yourself, but also giving you a sense of accomplishment because now you know something that others don't. It builds trust and connection after only a couple of seconds because you're both in on the secret together. Erica also adds to this step by presenting the brands in a negative light in the tone she uses to depict them. She is on your side, not theirs. And the more you trust and value her content, the more likely you are to go onto her profile, watch more of her content, and give her a follow. Which brings us on to step number 3, identifying the pain points. In marketing, we often hear about the importance of finding your target audience's pain points. Those specific problems that your potential customers face on a day-to-day basis, as well as issues that they may encounter while using your services. But this strategy doesn't have to be just business related. When you can truly understand who you are creating content for, you will better know how to position yourself and communicate the value and benefit that you can offer through your content. Erica creates content to help people save money in situations where they may have never known they could save money. She understands her audience so well that she can set up these scenarios in her videos with specific problems that her viewers may be experiencing, like getting bumped on flights, getting your AirPods stolen, skincare from Sephora, etc. And by doing this, she is able to instantly speak to her ideal followers and build a community who is truly invested in her and her content. For example, this video is about buying an engagement ring, and a lot of people in relationships are stressed trying to figure out how they are going to afford a wedding ring.
I am looking for a diamond ring to propose with. Sure, what about this 1-carat diamond ring? She has no idea I know, watch this. The center stone looks like a 0.9 carat diamond, but let me guess, you want to market it as a 1 carat so you can charge me a huge premium. What you've really done is added in the weight of all of those little inexpensive stones around the diamond to get a combined 1 carat. Ugh, fine, it's really 0.9 carats, so I'll give you a discount. Who taught you this? Erica did. She's a lawyer and tells me about your little tricks so I don't fall for them. That's why I follow her.
Same thing is also true for her other topics, such as salary negotiations.
Your performance has exceeded expectations, so we'd like to give you a raise. How does a 3% raise sound? Watch this. Over the last 12 months, prices of consumer goods have risen over 6%. So a 3% raise is like getting a pay cut. Are you being ungrateful? I appreciate the offer, but I understand the value I bring to this company, and if the raise you're offering doesn't even counteract inflation, I'll need to explore other opportunities where I can get paid 50% more. Ugh, most of our employees fell for this trick. Who taught you this? Erica did. She's a lawyer and teaches me how to get paid what I'm worth. That's why I follow her.
Or transparency with her YouTube pay, which is something a lot of creators are genuinely curious about.
Before I show you the grand total, in the last month I've only posted 1 video on YouTube, so it now is almost entirely passive income, $200 to $300 a day. That's the one video. It was kind of a flop. Now I'll show you what I've made in the last 365 days. Remember, this is before taxes. The grand total is $82,626. And now for the lifetime of the channel, I first started making money on YouTube in May of 2020. It's $109,000.
I love transparency around money. Follow for more.
By starting with the pain points, she's able to create content that offers solutions or even instant fixes for these pain points. The problem versus solution method is highly effective and one that Erica leverages for her viral content. As we finish out this video, comment down below what you think of Erica's strategy. Is she really just lucky, or is Erica actually a genius? As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content like this, and I will catch you guys in the next video. 'Cause I've been living life right like